Segway on Sanibel. Let's go check it out.
And I tried it. First thing that's compromised is your balance.
Yeah.
Way to go.
How you doing?
You got a spin or any tricks?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Woo! Woo!
I'm like a,
Two hands hit the ground, I got to file an instant report.
yeah, I'm like a dolphin. Just throw me a treat. And,
Way to go.
I want to get my Segway license revoked, so I got to leave it right there.
Y'all have fun.
Hey,
Thanks.
Where'd you get the Segways?
we're renting them from Billy's Rentals.
Billy's Rentals.
Yeah.
Cool. Good time?
Yeah, awesome time. Very good. It's a guided tour. It's pretty cool.
Awesome. Guided tour. Bye. There goes the Segways.